Hello friends, after completing 10 days of MQL5 programming, today we'll starting our first video. As you know, we cover in the basics in the last 10 days course. In the last two parts, I've received lots of support for you along with some goods and bad comments, but that's okay. I never intend to sell this EA or hidden code or irrigate anything about it. In today's video, we test the HFT EA on my demo account with some settings. At the end, I will explain the changes we made to EA so that our new user with basic coding knowledge can understand them and improve its performance. Finally, I will show the full code of nothing hidden. So let's dive into today's video. So we go to the terminal. I have already added this EA to the chart. I will open EA inputs and start changing some values, stop loss, distance, etc. and set everything to 40. I scroll up and down and set all trailing stop to 40 as well. For the last input, ADX strength, I set it to 20 and click OK. I check the EA, but it's not taking any trades. I first clear the general and make sure the time frame is set to 1 minute or 5 minutes. Then I forget to start algo trading. Once I start algo trading, the EA begins trading. You can see. But then it paused because we set it to stop at $15 profit. I tried increasing the profit limit, but the EA ignored it, so I removed the EA from the chart. I added EA on the chart once again, set some values the same as the previous one. I don't know if these are base settings for this EA. This is just example, and the settings can change quickly to capture opening volatility. And I change targets to 200 and then click OK. You can see the EA has started trading. We just wait and it eventually reached the targets right now. This is only a demo account, but it's give us good idea of how this strategy perform. One of my subscriber actually sent me a video of the very expensive Forex Smarto EA, so I got an idea how they trade. Based on that, I created the simple EA just for testing purpose. For example, I set targets 200 to capture the opening volatility. Of course, I know this EA is missing some important things like spread filter, broker minimum distance checks and slippage control, but those can easily be added later. For now, the goal is just to test the concept and understand how the trades are triggered. Okay, now we'll quickly go to MetaTrader to show the full code, where I also added the include file inside one EA. If you have any ideas or suggestion to make it better, feel free to share them in the comments. That's today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you.